Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Black Press Media employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to log into your Black Press Media employee account, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address blackpressmedia.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Black Press Media over here. Now you'll be required to scroll down to the end of the page. From over here you can see the scroller at the right side of the screen where I'm hovering. Click over there and go to the end of the page where you will be able to find, you can see there is the iServices over here, and under this list at the end of the list you can see there is the BC employee login. Click over there, and over here you can see, guys, this is the self-service login of your employee account. Now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your username over here and your password over here with which you had registered an account on Blackrest Media. But if you have not but if you have not yet created an account on Blackpress Media, you can see the register now button available over here. If you click on this register now button, you will be redirected to a procedure where you can sign up for a Blackpress Media employee account. With that being said, guys, if you have forgotten your password, though, there is the forgot your password button available over here. Click on the forgot your password button available over here to go through a procedure to retrieve or reset your account's password. With that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login, and then you will be signed into your Blackpress Media account, and then you'll be signed into your Blackpress Media employee account. And if you have any confusions or question and if you have any questions and if you have any questions or confusions regarding a topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.